National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Riverside County in Southern California. Until 1:30 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northeast of Salton Sea Beach, or 12 miles north of Salton City, moving northwest at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations expected include Indio, southeastern Palm Springs, Coachella, Palm Desert, Highway 74 between Anza and Palm Desert, Thermal, Highway S22 between Laredo Springs and Imperial County line, Highway 74 between Mountain Center and Anza, La Quinta, Mecca, Indian Wells, Santa Rosa Mountain, and Bermuda Dunes. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:45 p.m. PDT for the following counties in California, Riverside, and San Diego. Flash flood warning for the following counties,
Riverside, and San Diego.
The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern San Diego County in southwestern California and